Handling unexpected expenses in early retirement can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, it doesn't have to derail your financial plans. Retirement, especially when you aim to achieve it early, is a delicate balance of managing income, savings, and unforeseen costs. While it's exciting to enjoy the freedom of not working, unexpected expenses can show up when you least expect them. Whether it's a medical emergency, a home repair, or market fluctuations affecting your investments, planning for these surprises is critical to keeping your retirement plans on track. The first step is to build a robust emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, giving you quick access to money without touching your retirement accounts. For early retirees, this fund should ideally cover 6 to 12 months of living expenses. It should be kept in a liquid account like a high-yield savings account, where it's easy to access, but still earns a bit of interest. This reserve is your first line of defense against unexpected costs and helps you avoid withdrawing from investments when the market is down. Another essential strategy is to maintain a diversified investment portfolio. While diversification is often discussed as a method for optimizing returns, it also reduces risk, which is particularly important during retirement. When you retire early, your investment horizon is longer, meaning market volatility can hit harder. By spreading your assets across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles, you're less likely to face significant losses all at once. Regularly rebalancing your portfolio ensures it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Healthcare is one of the biggest potential expenses in retirement, especially if you retire before qualifying for Medicare. This makes choosing the right health insurance plan a priority. For early retirees, options like the Affordable Care Act Marketplace, COBRA, or health-sharing ministries can help bridge the gap. It's also wise to budget for unexpected medical costs, including dental and vision care, which are often not covered by standard insurance plans. Staying proactive about your health through regular checkups and preventive care can minimize these expenses over time. One overlooked tool for handling unexpected expenses is creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on savings can put you in a tight spot if unexpected costs arise. Instead, consider ways to generate passive income during retirement. Real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, and part-time work are all options that can supplement your retirement funds. Even small amounts of additional income can add up over time, providing you with more flexibility when surprises occur. Tax planning also plays a significant role in managing unexpected expenses. The way you withdraw money from your retirement accounts can significantly impact your tax liability. For example, taking large sums from a traditional IRA could push you into a higher tax bracket, reducing the amount of money you keep. Tax-efficient withdrawals, like using Roth IRAs or taxable brokerage accounts, can help you cover unexpected costs without a huge tax bill. Planning ahead with a financial advisor or tax professional ensures you're making the most of your retirement savings. Minimizing fixed expenses is another way to prepare for the unexpected. The less you're committed to spending each month, the more flexibility you'll have when surprise costs arise. Downsizing your home, driving a reliable but inexpensive car, and paying off debt before retirement can all reduce your monthly obligations. This approach not only gives you more breathing room in your budget, but also allows your savings to stretch further. Unexpected expenses often come in waves, so it's important to think long-term about your financial plan. Instead of reacting to emergencies, focus on being proactive. For instance, if you know your home's roof is aging, start saving for repairs before it becomes an urgent problem. Similarly, keeping up with regular maintenance for your car, appliances, and other essentials can prevent small issues from turning into major expenses. Being prepared in this way helps you stay calm and in control when surprises do happen. Insurance is another critical component of handling unexpected costs. While many people think of health insurance first, other types of coverage can be just as important. Homeowners insurance, auto insurance, and even umbrella liability policies can protect you from significant financial losses. Long-term care insurance is particularly worth considering for early retirees. While it's an additional cost up front, it can save you thousands if you ever need extended care services later in life. The role of flexibility in your retirement plan cannot be overstated. When you retire early, you might need to adjust your spending habits or goals to account for unexpected events. Flexibility could mean delaying a planned vacation, pausing discretionary spending, or even picking up part-time work temporarily. The ability to adapt quickly to changing circumstances ensures that you stay on track without compromising your long-term financial health. Keeping a clear and detailed budget also makes a big difference. Tracking your expenses allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back if needed. Use budgeting tools or apps to make this process easier. Having a clear picture of your finances helps you make informed decisions when unexpected costs arise. Key takeaways include the importance of an emergency fund, the value of diversified investments, and the role of multiple income streams. Handling unexpected expenses in early retirement is about preparation, flexibility, and smart financial planning. By thinking ahead and making strategic decisions, you can face surprises with confidence and keep your retirement plans on track.